This is through the window, so I don't know how well you can see that it is just dumping on us. At least the wind isn't real bad. But I mean, it's coming sideways and every which direction. I think you can probably tell just from what little bit I show here. So, yeah, I gotta go look at the thingy and see how much. Oh, I see I got a spot on the window. How weird. It's really dumping. Believe it or not, though, and where all that white is out there, that's field and neighbors way off gone that you can't see. Okay.